found it in me.
Stop! Is this?
Yeah.
It's zoomed. I asked my friends to come to my party just as movie characters, so let's see what they came as. Hey, whoa! That is so cool! Wait. Why do you just have this?
I don't know.
I'm Darren. I'm dressed as Alphaba.
You need to do that.
I'm Alia. I'm dressed as Shrek, but glamour.
Serious.
Human Shrek. Yeah, human Shrek. Okay.
Hello, my name is Naomi and I'm dressed as a mixture of two things, Mad Hatter and the Queen of Hearts.
My name is Cass. I'm dressed as Patrick Bateman. This is my business card. You think it looks nice? You think it looks nice? It looks nice, right?
Hi, I'm Jane and I'm dressed as Katie Harry from Windows.
Period.
Hi, I'm Anisha and I'm dressed as 101 Dalmatians.
Cute.
I'm Manila and I'm dressed as Sabrina Spellman from Chilling Adventures of Sabrina.
Hello, I'm Mia and I'm dressed as Princess Mia Tabawalis from Princess Diaries.
Cute.
I'm Sybil, I'm the birthday girl and I'm dressed as Clementine from Eternal Sunshine.
Okay, Johnny's.
What's that shit?
Whoa! Except for everyone who is Halal and Muslim. Yeah, you guys
Yeah.
right. Okay, you guys know Hear Me Out cake, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yes! This is Hear Me Out drinking game.
Okay. I'm not invited.
You show your Hear Me Out. Oh my gosh. The ones who agree have to drink.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Now who there?
Fishman from Shape of Water.
Asian.
Right.
Orlok from Nosferatu.
Ultimate.
Wait, okay.
I don't have to drink.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paid for adventure time.
Oh, yeah. Valid.
Sabaya.
Which one?
Mine is a mitochondria. So like the judgment-free zone, a mitochondria. So why nobody drinking?
That's a fish.
Imagine the news anchor from SpongeBob.
I get it.
That is so real. Wait, hold on. This is from the Bible.
I think I know.
Who's that? That is so insane.
You shall bounce on it. Crazy style. Aku nak kayo, aku nak lihat pedang kebocah. I use this for
This one?
Let's get this party
Romance
Better with attitude. Why are you?
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Hongshu. Me. Hongshu. Eh, I can't. Oh my god.
Me.
Oh, I can't zoom. I can't zoom out.